Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenius Ideas. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your React frontend with your Django backend, thereby solving the possible access, cause, origin problem that you're going to be having in Django. So the setup I have at the moment is just a simple Django application with the REST framework that we're going to be using to build a dummy API. So I also have this Django app that I've created. If you look at the views of the app, you see I have this simple REST function over here. Then under URLs, you can see just a simple hello function, nothing serious. So you can see I've linked it over here as well. So this is my backend, and if you come to the terminal, you can see the backend over here. It's running at the moment. So this is it. If you want to run yours, just Python manage py run server. It will run the server for you. Then I have this front end over here. Everything you are seeing over here is basically what we have here in this singular file. I have this um I have this state variable called message. It will query the backend for that particular hello endpoint and whatever it gets as the data, which is originally supposed to be come to views, which is supposed to be hello from Django. That is what it is supposed to get, hello from Django. So come back here. It is supposed to get hello from Django, but if it is not getting that particular message, then you just say set message as no message from backend. Then you log it to the console, whatever the error is. So then we have this other part, which is basically what we have over here. So this no message from backend is derived from this place, meaning that for one reason or the other, this is not returning data. Okay, so we are not getting any messages from the backend. Now, let me try to paste this particular link in the web browser on its own. Don't forget, this is running at the moment. The development server, the front end server is also running. So come here and let us run this so that we know exactly what the problem is. So you can see that REST framework in itself is actually rendering that particular endpoint. It's responding to that endpoint. If you come here, you can see it is responding to this particular endpoint, but for one funny reason or the other, React is not able to get messages, it's not able to interact with that API. So if you come here and you try to reload, you will see that it is getting no message from backend. But if you try to look at the console, you will see 200 OK, API hello 200 OK. Okay, so the reason you are getting this particular error is because if you come to inspect this particular page, you will see access to fetch that particular API data from this origin, which is the front end endpoint, was blocked by CORS policy. No access control allow origin. Okay, now for us to be able to solve this, go to Google and look for Django course headers, and this will solve the problem straight away. So just open it in new tab and copy this, just copy this, come here, close the server, then let me clear my terminal. Django course headers, so just give it some time to install. Mine is already installed, that's why it just did what I have over here. Then the next thing you want to do is to add course headers to the list of installed apps. So come here, no, go to the backend under settings.py. This is the installed apps. So I'll just put the course header somewhere here. Then you have to bring in the middleware as well. So this is the middleware, and don't forget the middleware is should be the second middleware over here. So come here, no, this is the front end, the back end. So it should be the second. Okay, I think it should be above common middleware. If you come here, common middleware, just above common middleware. So just above common middleware and save it. Then there's one last thing that we have to do. So we can do course allowed origins. A course allow all origins. True. Where is it? Course allow all origins. There are some particular course variables. Okay, course allow all origins. So if we bring this into our code and we set it to true, then automatically any particular front end that wants to query this particular API, they will have access to the backend. So let me run this data, my server again, python manage.py, then run server. So save this. If I should come back here, and if I should reload this one first, the server is not running, something is wrong. Oh, I've not run my server. For one reason or the other, this is hanging. Let me just go to another terminal, then I'll close this one. So ls, okay, let me start my virtual environment. Okay, that's my virtual environment, cd django react. Okay, then ls again, python manage.py, then run server. Okay, now my server is up. Come back here, and if I should reload this, you can see this is working fine. Now let's come back to Vite. If I should reload this, um, you can see now I'm getting hello from Django. Okay, Control Shift I won't be getting any errors from my console anymore. You can see I'm not getting any errors anymore. So everything is working fine just by fixing using Django course-headers. But you need to understand that what we did over here is that all origins will be able to query this database. What I would advise that you do, even in development mode, is to use course allowed origins. Course allowed origins. So copy this, come here, no, come to the backend. Instead of using this, so just copy the address for the front end, copy this, and where is it? So paste this. You can take this one out, you don't need it. Since it's just one value, so if I should save this, what we have done basically, if I should reload this again, okay, something is wrong somewhere. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake here. It's not supposed to have this. So this is going to reload very good. So if I should reload this once more, you can see hello from Django. So it's working fine. I would prefer that you actually go with this one, okay, than just exposing everything. Even in development mode, I would rather go with this. So basically that is how to connect your React frontend with your Django backend, thereby eliminating the cause headers error that you get when you try to connect your Django to your React originally. So thank you very much. That will be all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to like the video as well. The comment section is open for your comments or questions. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.